Golf enthusiasts seeking the ultimate vacation often dream of combining their passion for the sport with travel to picturesque courses around the world. Here are some of the best golf trip destinations that promise not only challenging play but also breathtaking scenery and unique experiences. 1. Scotland, the home of golf. Scotland is revered as the birthplace of golf, with St. Andrew's Old Course being a pilgrimage site for golfers. The country boasts a variety of historic and challenging courses, like Royal Dornoch and Muirfield. Beyond the greens, Scotland offers rich cultural experiences, historic castles, and whiskey tours. 2. Pebble Beach, California, USA. Pebble Beach is iconic for its stunning ocean views and challenging holes. The Pebble Beach Golf Links is frequently ranked among the top public courses in the United States. The area also offers luxurious accommodations and fine dining, making it a perfect spot for a high-end golf vacation. 3. Ireland, a golfer's paradise. Ireland's lush landscapes are home to world-renowned links courses such as Royal County Down and Ballybunion. Golfers can enjoy the rugged coastal scenery and the warm hospitality of local pubs. The blend of natural beauty and exceptional golf makes Ireland a must-visit destination. 4. Maui, Hawaii, USA. Maui offers golfers a tropical paradise with courses like the Plantation Course at Kapalua, known for its sweeping ocean views and challenging layout. After a round of golf, visitors can relax on beautiful beaches, explore volcanic landscapes, or enjoy local Hawaiian cuisine. 5. Australia. Sandbelt and beyond. Australia's Sandbelt region near Melbourne is famous for its collection of premier courses such as Royal Melbourne and Kingston Heath. The country also offers unique golfing experiences at courses like Barnbougle Dunes in Tasmania. Australia's diverse landscapes and vibrant cities add extra allure to a golf trip down under. 6. South Africa, scenic and wild. South Africa combines excellent golf with stunning scenery and wildlife experiences. Courses like Leopard Creek offer views of Kruger National Park, while Fancourt in the Western Cape provides a luxurious golfing experience. This destination is perfect for golfers looking to combine their love for the sport with adventure. 7. New Zealand, natural beauty. New Zealand's courses such as Cape Kidnappers and Corrie Cliffs are known for their dramatic landscapes and challenging layouts. The country's natural beauty, from fjords to mountains, enhances the golf experience. Visitors can also enjoy local wines and adventure sports. Planning your golf trip. When planning a golf trip, consider factors such as the season, the level of difficulty of the courses, and additional activities available in the region. Many destinations offer packages that include accommodations, tee times, and other amenities. Using services like GolfNow can help you find the best deals and plan your perfect golf getaway. Whether you prefer the historic courses of Scotland, the scenic beauty of Hawaii, or the wild adventure of South Africa, there's a perfect golf destination waiting for you. Happy golfing!